What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're about to go into Walmart right now, and they're still enforcing lines to get in this place. I'm over in Seekonk, Mass, but check this out, the ridiculousness. Ready? Is this not the stupidest shit you've ever seen in your life? Stupid. Finally made it in. So now we've entered the Twilight Zone since we've waited in line. Let's go shopping. All right, let's see what we can find now that we're in the clearance aisle. So these, they have them for $7, and we're gonna make about $4 profit on that. Ooh, they have these too. Let me see. These sell because these are the special ones. We'll scan that in a second. Llama. Whack. Let's see. Toner's always good. Let's see what we got for toner, but toner not for $50. That's not cool. Google Home hubs for $100. No, thank you. It's crazy. You know what? I need supplies too, so I need to get some boxes. I don't know where I'm gonna fit it. You know what we're gonna do? Let's scan the My Life though. Let's scan the My Life and see if it's still worth sending in for FBA. It's not even coming up. It should though. I've sold it before. Let's see if we can type it in. I'll be right back. Alright, so the price here is 20, but we'll take it. We'll send it in. Not sure about this one though. Scan it up. Almost looks identical. You know what? I think it is. It's just out of the box. For $5, we'll take it. All right, let's head over to supplies. So I'm looking for the home office section so I can get some boxes, but I don't know this Walmart, so I don't know where it is. I think I gotta ask somebody.
Aisle to your left on the bottom.
Gotcha. Thank you. All right, so I know where I'm going now. K2 or 3. I think I see it over here. This layout is very different than the ones that I'm used to, so whatever. So a lot of the ones that I get for FBM, there's 2 sizes I use for the products. One size is the 12 by 10 by 8. How am I gonna do this? Let me put this here. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, I'm sorry. And then the other size I use is the 11 by 8 by 4. There's some fractions in there, but generally that's the one that I use. It's gonna be super annoying seeing the boxes. Let me fix this, I'll be right back. So for the rest of this video, I'm gonna have to hold the camera, which is gonna be super awkward, but this is what I'm working with right now. So that's what I'm working with. So I'm gonna check out to see if we can find any more stuff before we head home. Yo, tell me why they got Migos Funkos. That's funny. Black Widow. You know my addiction. All right, we're heading back out. Let's see if we can see any more deals. Should I buy this? I've been looking at it. $658 for a 70-inch. I might come back. So I always pull into baby because usually at the end caps there's some clearance. Baby products sell. They sell pretty well. So Doesn't hurt to just to look while you're here. Honestly, we've checked electronics, we've checked the clearance aisle, we've checked baby, we checked other places. This is what we got. The Bo Peeps go for $7, and we'll make 3 and some change on them profit. I've already sent in about 13 of these, so we're gonna send the rest in FBA. Can't go that way.
Bound only by frozen memories. Lost.
So as I'm walking, I just noticed something on the My Life dolls. It's missing pieces here, and the box is ripped. So we won't be taking it. I'm gonna go put it back. That's unfortunate. All right, everybody. It is hot as hell out right now, and it's only 58 degrees. But to us New Englanders, 58 degrees like beach weather. You know what I'm saying? So we just come out of Walmart. Look, I only found the Bo Peeps, 7 a piece. I'll make back about $10.50, make a little over $3 profit, or maybe a little under $3 profit after shipping and whatever. But I'm not being picky right now because the times that we're in, what we can find, it gives me a sense of normalcy. I feel normal again. I'm able to source toys, shipment to FBA. I'm crushing FBM, so the sacrifice on FBA is okay. Yeah, I'm glad to be back in the stores. There's a lot of crazy shit happening, but you know, we all got our own opinions, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on IG at RichieHustles or Twitter at RichieHustles, and I'll catch you guys on the next hustle.